So everybody, this is Akash. Akash, this is known as Wildly Indian. ठीक है, YouTube में काफी famous है. And
ऐसा इनको लगता है सिर्फ
नहीं,
सिर्फ इनको
बाकी
लगता
half
है
million लोगों को भी लगता है. He's an amazing rescuer.
and we have a very beautiful girl over here. You look at her. इसका नाम है Bluey. Her name is Bluey. 3 साल की है ये और she's not mine. इसका केयर टेकर यहीं पर है आसपास.
यहाँ पे.
हाँ, वो he is interested in fishes right now. तो इसलिए इसकी लड़की मेरे पास है. But yeah, she's amazing. She's very good with people. अभी थोड़ा सा लोगों को देख के थोड़ा सा
Stressed out.
ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है इसको. पर हाँ, तब भी she's enjoying. मज़ा आ रहा है इसको. मैं ज़्यादा टच नहीं करने दे रहा हूँ लोगों को.
Yeah, that's good.
And
ये
yes,
वेज रहते हैं
Yes.
vegetarian. हाँ जी, pure vegetarian.
क्या फीड
Whatever vegetables you want, leafy greens, है ना? Apart from spinach, you cannot give spinach. जिस भी वेजिटेबल में आयरन ज़्यादा होता है वो वेजिटेबल आप इनको नहीं देते क्योंकि रेप्टाइल्स कैन नॉट प्रोसेस इतने अच्छे से आयरन. बट या दे मेक वंडरफुल पेट्स एंड दैट्स हाउ दे आर. लोगों को थोड़ा पता लगता है कि रेप्टाइल से नफरत नहीं करनी है.
एकदम.
हाँ,
This is very important.
थोड़ा सा सोशलाइज करना होता है.
सांप को भी वही सोशलाइज करना पड़ता है.
हाँ,
हाँ, क्योंकि उसको ट्रेन तक नहीं किया जा सकता. हाउ टू टीच.
you have to handle मतलब you have to learn the handling first कि किस तरीके से उसको कम से कम दिक्कत हो. फिर you have to give them a habit of that. आपको उसको अपनी आदत लगानी पड़ेगी. उसको आदत हो गई एक बार तो वो मान जाएगा आपको कि you are not dangerous to him. है ना? तो वो वाले गेम्स हैं इसके. बाकी तो बढ़िया ही है.
इसके नेल्स तो कट करते रहते होंगे भैया आप टाइम टाइम पे?
हाँ, करना पड़ता है.
नहीं तो ये खाल
वरना तो बिजनेस खोल सकते हैं वो कि कान सीधा हो.
Hi, very good evening, Akash sir, and so nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
First of all, before we start a video, I have to convey my regards to you. I am a huge fan of your
Oh my
channel.
God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure to have
No.
such
It's a
big
pleasure to meet you. You are a fellow discus breeder, I've heard. And it's just lovely to meet somebody who used to breed discus.
Ji.
I've also bred discus, when I was
Yeah,
small.
known
So I
sir.
used to make my little pocket money out of discus
Yeah.
a while back.
Yeah.
So yes, here we are. It's a pleasure. So according to me, yes, stray dogs play a vital role apparently because everybody's sentiments, the value of sentiments is quite high. Even if you don't like stray dogs, you have to respect the sentiments.
Exactly.
As you would have seen, a lot of people were protesting. I work with wildlife and apparently strays are a threat to wildlife, but that happens only in the urban areas.
Okay.
So yeah, that's how it is. We are respecting the sentiments and you have to take decision accordingly.
Ji.
Not all of the stray dogs are aggressive. Rabies is very subjective.
Okay.
So yes, you have to, think twice about taking any decision
Ji.
because a lot of people were against it also.
Ji.
But according to me, I think कि hate कम से कम फैलानी चाहिए.
Ji.
And stray dogs are also a part of our community now. So we have to accept it. अगर आपको नहीं डॉग पसंद है तो आप उसको दूर से रह सकते हैं उससे.
जी.
पर हर डॉग अग्रेसिव नहीं होता और रेबीज बहुत कम कुत्तों को होता है.
जी.
अगर हमें क्राइम खत्म करना होता है तो हम क्रिमिनल्स को खत्म नहीं करते हैं.
बरोबर.
That's what I just want to say. So I used to be a chef before this.
Oh.
And yeah, I have served in hospitality industry for quite a while.
Yeah.
और फिर उसके बाद I have had this connection with the animals from my childhood. I used to observe them. I love observing their behavior. Different behaviors when they courtship behaviors, I can say feeding behaviors. Let's walk.
Yeah, sure.
A lot of people are enjoying the aquarium,
Yeah.
so we don't want to disturb them also. So yeah, so when I used to go to my job and I did that for 8 or 9 months, and I've seen a lot of snakes being killed. And reptiles hold a very big part in my heart. So I had to save them, and that's how I started doing it for the whole time. And yeah, I quit my job and I started the journey of the wildlife conservation. And yes, I always loved animals. So I just wanted to be near them. So that's why I have a lot of pets. and I've raised a lot of animals also, as you might have seen. I don't know. I hope you might have seen.
जी जी, मैंने कल भी आपके साथ वो इगुआना देखा, आज स्नेक देखा, तो उसके भी बारे में जानना है सर। वो मतलब लीगल रहता है, उसका मतलब क्या बेसिक, क्योंकि मैं एकदम फिशेस के बारे में मेरे थोड़ी जानकारी है।
काफ़ी जानकारी है।
नहीं नहीं सर, इन रेप्टाइल्स के बारे में सर आपसे जानना चाहूँगा।
Okay, so yes, exotic pets is a very booming industry. Exotic pet keeping. So a lot of people are smuggling them into the country. तो उससे बचाने के लिए government has introduced you have to you have to get them registered. So they have a portal also where you have to get your exotic animals registered. Be it a corn snake, be it any iguana, and recently green iguanas have been banned also.
Okay.
And I just wanted to be near the reptiles. That's how I got my first snake. That's a corn snake. His name is Rangila. And I love him like my own son.
Ji.
He is 6 or 7 years old. And yeah, I love him. I use him as the awareness.
जी.
क्योंकि हमारे हिंदुस्तानी के जो बचपन होते हैं हमें रेज किया जाता है ये बताकर कि सांप खतरनाक है, उसको मार दो।
जी जी
क्योंकि वो खतरनाक है। पर रंगीला के थ्रू हम लोगों को दिखाते हैं कि वो फ्रेंडली भी हो सकते हैं। दे आर वेरी गुड बीइंग्स और बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं स्नेक्स हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए। दे टेक केयर ऑफ द ओवर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द रैट्स एंड ऑफ द अदर थिंग्स, सो दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस।
तो सर जैसे अभी आपने अवेयरनेस के बारे में बताया,
हाँ जी।
तो आप बच्चों में भी वो लेके जाते हैं, तो उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा जानना चाहूँगा।
हाँ जी, आई थिंक कि बचपन से अगर हम बच्चों को ये सिखाएं कि इनसे हमें हेट नहीं करना है, इनको हमें, एंड यू हैव टू कीप अ पार्ट इन योर हार्ट ऑल्सो अबाउट दैम। सो दैट्स हाउ आई ट्राई कि अगर इंसान में कितनी भी नफरत है किसी भी सांप के लिए, पर जब तक वो एक प्यारा सा सांप को प्यार से टच नहीं करेगा और ये नहीं जानेगा कि वो भी एक आपकी तरह जीव है, तब तक वो नहीं सीखेगा। सो स्टार्ट देम यंग लाइक दे से। सो आई ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट। काफ़ी स्कूल्स में और काफ़ी जगह हम अवेयरनेस करते हैं। एंड येस, दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंस। So it was not basically for reptiles or dogs or for fishes. It was just about my life. I just wanted the world to see animals from my eyes. I just wanted that to happen.
Okay.
And that's what I did, because people don't know how to handle them. If they know the handling, they become quite cruel to them. So I just wanted people to know what is the animal thinking, even what is the fish thinking. So because of that, I started my YouTube channel. And because I had quit my job, so I was just doing rescues and I was handling my YouTube channel. I am talking about 7 years back. So it has been a long journey. So yes. Donate to charity. मैं खुद ही इतने सारे rescues करता हूँ ना कि end में मेरे पास ही नहीं बचते हैं पैसे. So whatever collaborations या फिर whatever business I do with any possible business, because doing business is not my full time, but whatever money I can make from anywhere, I use that to raise animals. I have recently raised a lot of birds, and you need money to raise any animal or bird. So yes, that money is automatically being used there. So yes, that's what I try to do.
Very good.
So not like every fish keeper, I would say, not just one fish I love. I have a thing for discuss, क्योंकि उन्होंने बचपन बनाया है मेरा। पर recently I have discovered my love for the puffer fishes and especially chana snakeheads. So I am in love with golden cobra snakehead, chana और antimaculata. I am in love with them.
सर वो इंडियन ओरिजिन के हैं क्या?
Yes, I was recently in Assam just to explore their wild habitat.
Super.
So yes, yeah, that's how it is. Future plans मेरे अभी मैंने recently काफ़ी असम अपर असम की साइड से थोड़े snakeheads आए थे जो कि they suffered a trauma because temperature change और fluctuate हो गया एकदम दिल्ली में। क्योंकि दिल्ली में there's a lot of warmth and it's hot, so I couldn't save many of them, so my heart broke a little. But yeah, I am like trying my level best to get back into it. So I might be getting some more golden cobras, and yeah, I think I'm gonna raise my Fahaka puffers more. And I have a lot of setups now, तो मैं थोड़े से नए hit and trial methods देना चाहता हूँ with the planted tanks, of course. So yes, that's all. I've told you everything deeply now.
जी जी जी
Yes.
नहीं सर, थैंक यू सो मच, आपने टाइम दिया और
Thank you so much.
Discuss
Thank
Ninja
you so
पे
much.
चैनल पे
It's
आए।
an honor. Thank you so much.
सेम ईयर सर।
Thank you so much.
सी यू सर, बाय बाय।
Okay, bye bye. Take care. Bye.